the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Design, aesthetics and durability. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G features a premium, modern design with a metal frame and a durable Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back. The awesome Iceblue finish gives it a sleek and appealing look. The phone incorporates a key island design, which enhances grip and provides a comfortable in-hand feel. With an IP67 rating, the device is resistant to dust and water, offering peace of mind for everyday use. Immersive Display Technology. The display is a standout feature, with a 6.6-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED screen. This panel delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth and fluid scrolling experience, while Vision Booster technology enhances visibility in bright sunlight by optimizing color and contrast. The display also has a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Processing power and performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 5G is powered by Samsung's own Exynos 1480 processor. This octa-core chipset, built on a 4nm process, offers a solid balance of performance and efficiency. It is designed to handle multitasking, gaming, and streaming with ease. The 8GB of RAM ensures smooth app switching, and the 128GB of internal storage is ample for most users, with the option to expand up to 1TB via a microSD card. Advanced camera capabilities. Photography and videography are handled by a versatile triple camera system. The main camera is a high-resolution 50MP sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, which helps in capturing sharp, blur-free photos and stable videos, even in low light. It also features nightography for enhanced low-light shots. The setup is complemented by a 12MP ultrawide and a 5MP macro lens. For selfies, there's a 32MP front camera. The phone supports 4K UHD video recording at 30 frames per second. Battery life and charging. The device is equipped with a large 5000 mAh battery, providing long-lasting power for up to 2 days of typical usage. The phone supports 25W fast charging, allowing for quick top-ups. Connectivity and operating system. The Samsung Galaxy A55 5G supports future-ready 5G connectivity. It runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1, which offers a clean and customizable user experience. Samsung has also committed to providing 4 generations of OS updates, ensuring the phone remains current for a long time. It also includes features like Circle to Search with Google and Samsung Knox for defense-grade security. Pricing and availability. As per current information from major retailers like Amazon India and Samsung's official store, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, 8GB RAM, 128GB, is available at a discounted price, often around 23,999 rupees, down from its original MRP of 42,999 rupees, especially during festival sales. Various EMI and bank offers are also available. Customer insights and feedback. The customer rating on Amazon India is 4.2 out of 5 stars, based on over 2,600 ratings. Reviews generally praise the phone's premium build quality, vibrant Super AMOLED display, and reliable battery life. The OIS-enabled main camera is also well regarded. However, some users have noted that the Exynos 1480 processor, while capable, may not be as powerful as some competitors in the same price range for intensive gaming. The phone's value proposition has significantly improved with the recent price drops.